Hey guys, this is TGA Gaming, and today we're making a thermal scoped AI. Fully 3D printed using PLA. I've gone for a grey this time. Colour doesn't really matter. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 parts to this print. So let's get into it. There's a few imperfections that we're going to need to sand off this one before we can start gluing it together. So let's go. Just so that you guys know, I'm just using some materials that I bought from my local hardware store. So I've got some Calli's Quick Fix super glue, just some normal, I suppose a pack of small files, they help out quite a bit. And I've just got some basic sandpaper, it's 80, 120 and 180 grit. Let's start gluing it together. Now something that I just noticed while we were looking at it is there's a really big crack right there. So I guess we're gonna have to try and fix that. With what, you might ask? Well, we've got some of this polyfiller. It's just exterior timber polyfiller. We're gonna see how that goes. I've never used this before, so let's see how we go. Alright guys, so we're going to get stuck in with the polyfiller, fill up that gap that we saw earlier. Let's see how we go. For this I've just got a skewer. I think it's probably going to be the easiest way to do it. But yeah, we'll go filling up some cracks and see how we go. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the Fortnite thermal scoped AR, 3D printed. I upscaled it to about 130 from the original file that was there. I still think it's a little bit small for what it should be, but it turned out really well. Happy with it. I gave it another sand. In my opinion, if you do want to print it off, I'd probably recommend upscaling it to maybe 150. I printed this on an Ender 3 and it fit really well. All the parts at 130 were fine. I'd like to say a massive thank you to Pret Engineering for putting this file up for free for anyone to download and print. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Once again, have a wonderful day and yeah, happy printing. Hey guys, this is TGA and I just want to let you guys know that I have another video coming in the next couple of weeks. That video there is going to have all of these pieces in it plus more. So all these pieces, this is about half. I've got 12 pieces done so far. Currently printing one over here on the Ender 3. So that's pretty cool. Getting there slowly, but we'll get that done soon for you. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. If there's anything you want me to do in the future, just leave a comment down below and we'll see if we can get to that as soon as we can. Thanks.